Let's go ahead and grab that. You know what? Let's go ahead and just resample it. This way I can go through different combinations and get the audio sample of both here. All right. Let's go to hats and arm it to record. Now, actually, what I could do is, before I forget, is in this instance, because I'm resampling this, I want to grab it at the original volume. So I'm going to take off the gain stage in this case. And then we're going to try that again. Because I already have it gain stage down here. And just to keep it consistent, I'd rather grab it at the volume it's intended to be at and then lower it from the utility here rather than doing it twice because it's going to be double gain stage. So let's grab it again. All right. And then let's go ahead and see what else we can kind of get. Okay, so there's that little bit, that little shuffle that I hear right here. I like that a lot. So I want to grab that. And you know what? I'm going to try to combine it with something down here. Let's grab it real quick. So let's make sure that we're still off here. Okay, we're good. All right, so like that part is what I wanted. Because that's kind of following the idea of the way I wanted the snare or the tom to be. So and then I could boost it a little bit if I want here. Let's cut the highs a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good as far as the hats go. And then I think that's pretty good for percussion. I believe we can move on to the snare and the tom.